This is day 14 of my healthy diet. My current weight is 56.6 kilograms. Today we are going to make a chicken baked potato salad. It is a very balanced meal, which combining protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates in one meal can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and support weight loss goals. It also tastes great and is one of my favorite fat loss meals. We use fresh chicken legs, which are very tender and juicy. Cut them into chunks. Chicken is a lean source of protein, which can help keep you full and satisfied for longer periods. Add the following seasonings. Skinless chicken breast is particularly low in calories and fat, making it a great option for those looking to lose weight. By incorporating chicken into your diet, you can enjoy a filling meal without consuming excessive calories. Mix them thoroughly with your hands. Make sure every piece of chicken can fully absorb the sauce. Seal with plastic wrap. Marinate for more than 2 hours, preferably overnight if possible. Cut potatoes into hob blocks. Cook for 15 minutes and take it out. Potatoes are a good source of fiber, which can help regulate digestion. Add the following seasonings to the potatoes. Potatoes are rich in nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, etc., which are beneficial for overall health. These nutrients help maintain normal body functions, increase metabolism, and promote fat burning. Mix well. Place chicken and potatoes in baking dish. At the same time, preheat the oven in advance. Place the baking sheet into the oven and bake at 210 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. This salad serves 2 people and only has 400 calories per serving. If you find this recipe helpful, please let me know in the comment section. I am Mia and will be bringing you 100 healthy recipes this year. Thanks for watching and see you next time.